Right there. See it? You're going to start hearing it now.
Yeah, I see it. Wow. It's fast.
That's nothing, JT. This thing goes 35 miles an hour. All right, so now we're doing another video shot. Apparently I need to be in a more open area to do some of the quick shot functions. So we're gonna give it a shot.
3, 2, 1.
Let's see if this thing actually works. We're doing one of the quick shots. It's pretty sick. Gotta love it. And then it stops. That's cool. Let's get it. Let's bring it a little closer. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
It's kind of a cool feature. Now remember, there's no obstacle avoidance at all. That's pretty cool. This works.
3, 2, 1.
That's awesome. And stops. That is sick. We could do that again. Let's try it again.
2,
One more time. Gotta love it. That is awesome. Oh, that's cool. We could do rocket. Let's try that. Try
2,
rocket.
1.
That's wild. Now, you see this thing? You want to see something wild though, GT?
Oh, cool.
No. Watch this. Don't go inside yet. Just watch. Watch that.
It's got a good camera.
It's an awesome camera.
Is it delayed?
No.
Oh, cool.
Wait. I can travel out of sight.
Really?
Yeah, watch this. We're gonna go that way.
It's loud.
Yeah, you won't be hearing it soon. I can travel 5 miles away. Watch.
That's really
Look.
cool.
You can just keep going.
Looks good.
We can go to
Middle Country Road.
yeah, we can go to Middle Country Road. But then I can actually hit return to home. It'll fly back.
That's perfect.
And I can just turn around like this. And then come on back. Watch. So where's our house? Right there. See it? You're going to start hearing it now.
Yeah, I see it. Wow. It's fast.
That's nothing, JT. This thing goes 35 miles an hour.
What was that going?
Not that fast.
All right, bye.
Bye. This is an awesome drone. Totally worth it. Go out and get it. Treat yourself. It's awesome. I'm looking extremely forward to the DJI Pro 2. That's going to be amazing.